Greetings, greetings. This is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can actually arrange the icon on our desktop. Yes, arrange the icon on our desktop, right? And when we arrange it, we're going to see how best we can extend the icon. So what if you have a problem seeing the icon when it's too small, right? I'm going to show you how you can actually expand that and all of that. I'm going to be guided through that particular process, right? If you notice here on my desktop, you notice file all over the place right here. You can hardly find any way to actually do something, right? So in order for me to fix all of this, right, I have a simple method in which I can actually do that, right? The first thing you want to do is to find the desktop right here, just right click. When you right click, you notice bring up view, right? You notice a sort out by, it's a refresh, it's a paste, shortcut, it's a undo, and this is new. When you click on new, you can over here to folder, shortcut, and if you notice, all of these bitmap, Microsoft Word and all that. And you come right here, so you go to the display, you can go to personalization. But what we want to focus on is view. All right, when you go to view, you notice it's a large icon, auto arrange. So when you click on auto arrange, you notice everybody arranged, and that is how easy it is. All right, and let me go back again and actually do that because some of you might not really see it. All right, so let me scatter back some of this icon and do it again so that you can have a better idea of when the screen still like this, what you can do to get it straightened up. All right, so if you notice the screen scatter, just put the cursor on the desktop. You just right click. All right, you're going to go to this view. And you're going to click on auto arrange and arrange everything. All right, so very important. All right, so that. So the next thing that you want to do, all right, you look at the icon is small. You want it to expand. What you can do, you can simply right click. Right, you're going to go up on view. You notice it should presently set on medium. So we click on large. You notice everything come up big, just like that. You can actually see everything in order to get it back. Right? So if and when you go up on any color computer, you see icon in big like this, it kind of scary. No, the one thing you have to do is put the cursor right here, right click and go to view right here. So notice show the add icon. You just simply click right here and notice everything come back together. And that's it, very important. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video. Remember to share.